Alright, let's dive into this money-making adventure. Ever caught yourself thinking, man, if only I could get paid to binge-watch videos online? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you how to pocket a cool 120 smackers daily just by watching online videos. First up, we're heading to youtube.com, where you'll be cashing in for eyeballing videos, just like these savvy folks. These clever cookies are raking in real cash, getting paid for every single video they feast their eyes on. And get this, it's so simple, even your pet rock could do it, no special skills required. But hey, don't go quitting your day job just yet. This isn't going to replace your 9 to 5. Think of it more as your ticket to extra pizza money. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of picking the cream of the crop videos to maximize your video watching profits. But before we dive deeper into this cash cow strategy, welcome to Wealth Walk. I'm Alex, your guide through the wild west of online money making. So, do me a solid and punch that subscribe button, smash the like button and ring that notification bell, so you don't miss out on my next get-rich-quick scheme. Opportunity. Time to log into YouTube. Mosey on over to the top right corner and hit that sign-in button like it's a winning lottery ticket. You'll need to punch in your email and secret code, no Google account. Head over here and click Create Account for Myself. Fill in your deets, name, email, the works. Cook up a password stronger than your coffee, and boom, you're in the club. Once you're logged in, the Explore button will be winking at you from the left. Give it a little click. Now pay attention, because this isn't your average money-making scheme. It's a bit different, a tad sneaky, in a good way of course. To get this right, you've got to watch every second of this tutorial. Skip ahead and you'll be more lost than a penguin in the Sahara. Next up, we're hitting gaming faster than you can say lag. This'll show us the hottest gaming videos, the ones racking up views like nobody's business. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to pick any game that floats your boat. Could be Fortnite, could be Solitaire, as long as it's got a fan base bigger than your last Thanksgiving dinner. But here's the thing, don't just pick the first game you see. Take a moment to browse through the options. Look for games with consistent viewership and engaged communities. Maybe it's a classic that never goes out of style, or the latest battle royale that's taking the world by storm. The key is to find a game with staying power, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Sometimes the most unexpected games can be gold mines. Ever heard of Goat Simulator? Yeah, that's a thing, and people can't get enough of it. So keep an open mind. You never know what might catch fire. Once you've picked your chosen game video, you'll see a smorgasbord of videos under that game, all of them getting more views than a cat riding a Roomba. Take a moment to analyze these videos. What makes them tick? Why are people watching? Is it the personality of the streamer? The skill level of the gameplay? Or perhaps it's the hilarious commentary? Understanding these factors can help you pick the cream of the crop. Now, let's introduce you to your new best friend. A little website called 7r6.com. It's like Hogwarts, but instead of turning toads into teacups, you'll be turning boring old links into cold, hard cash. First things first, create an account. Then you can start shortening links faster than your grandma forwards chain emails. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this tool wisely and always respect the content creators. We're here to make money, sure, but we're also part of a community. So let's keep things positive and supportive, all right? Here's the deal. When someone clicks your shortened link, they'll see an ad faster than you can say skip before being whisked away to their final destination. That's how this magical money tree grows. Just like YouTube makes bank from those ads you love to hate. And the sweet, sweet ad money, it's split between you and the platform. It's like you're running a digital toll booth, but instead of angry drivers, you get clicks. But here's where it gets really interesting. The more clicks you get, the more you earn. It's like a snowball effect, but instead of snow, it's cash. And the best part, you're doing this all while people are enjoying content they want to see. It's a win-win situation, my friends. Now you might be wondering, Alex, how much can I really make? Well, that depends on a few factors. The type of content, the audience, the time of day. It's like fishing. Some days you catch a big one, other days it's just minnows. But keep at it and you'll start to see patterns. Maybe gaming videos do better on weekends, or tech reviews are hot on Mondays. It's all about finding your groove and maximizing those clicks. Signing up is easier than falling off a log. Top right corner, hit sign up. Enter a username that's cooler than the other side of the pillow. Toss in your email and a password that isn't password. Pretend to read the terms and conditions. Check the box and bam, you're in business. Pro tip: choose a username that's memorable but not too wild. You want to look professional after all. And for the love of all things holy, use a strong password. We're dealing with money here, so security is key. Mix it up with uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols. Make it harder to crack than a safe in Fort Knox. Your dashboard is like a video game high score board, but instead of points, it's cold, hard cash. You can check your views, earnings and all that jazz. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like watching those numbers go up. It's addictive, in the best possible way. You'll find yourself checking your dashboard more often than your social media. But unlike those endless scrolls through cat videos and food pictures, this habit can actually fatten your wallet. Remember, patience is key in this game. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a passive income empire. But stick with it, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Who knows? This could be the start of your journey to financial freedom. All from the comfort of your favorite chair. To shorten a URL, click new shorten link like you're crafting a new high score. Hop back to YouTube. Pick a video hotter than your neighbor's gossip. Copy that URL faster than you copy your friend's homework. Paste it into 7r6.com's magic box. Hit shorten and watch the alchemy happen. When you've made enough to buy a small country, or at least a fancy burger, cash out by hitting withdraw. Then withdrawal again because good things come in pairs. Here's a pro tip to supercharge your earnings. Focus on live videos like a cat focuses on a laser pointer. I promise, the results will be better than your last blind date. Just hit live on YouTube, and you'll see more action than a squirrel crossing a busy street. Open any of these live streams. Swipe that URL faster than you swipe right on dating apps. Back to 7r6.com. Paste that link like you're planting a money tree, and hit shorten to complete your get rich spell. For maximum effect, rinse and repeat with at least 3 videos. The more links you shorten, the more likely you are to strike gold. Now, I know what you're thinking. Alex, how do I get people to actually click these links? Well, my young grasshopper, let me introduce you to some traffic-generating ninjas. First up, steamcommunity.com. It's like the cool kids table of the gaming world. This place gets more monthly visitors than a YouTube apology video. We're talking over 130 million views last month. That's more potential clicks than there are terrible dad jokes. Joining is easier than falling asleep in a boring lecture. Just enter your email and where you're chilling on this big blue marble. They're cool with folks from all over, so whether you're in Tokyo or Timbuktu, you're golden. Drop a comment below telling me where you're tuning in from, so I can tailor my future videos to your neck of the woods. If you're old enough to have a YouTube account, and you agree to their terms, who doesn't? Check the box and hit continue. Congratulations, you're now part of the cool crowd. Now create a post, share those shortened links like you're sharing the last slice of pizza, and watch the clicks roll in like waves on a digital beach. Our second traffic goldmine is moot.us. It's like a virtual clubhouse for gamers, who love spilling the tea about their favorite games. These folks will gobble up live videos like they're the last chicken nuggets in the box. The list of games here is longer than the line at a new iPhone release, and your post has a better chance of going viral than a sneezing panda. Just rinse and repeat what you did with Steam. Follow these steps like they're the secret to eternal youth, and prepare for a tidal wave of traffic that'll make your head spin. If you're hungry for more money-making schemes, then subscribe to Wealth Walk faster than you can say cha-ching. Smash that like button, then click here for my next video, where I'll show you how to pocket $5 every 4 seconds. It's like being a human slot machine, but way less annoying. Remember, in this crazy world of online hustling, you gotta be quicker than a cat video going viral, and smoother than a used car salesman at a millionaire's convention. So get out there, start shortening those links, and watch your bank account grow faster than your waistline during quarantine. This is Alex from Wealth Walk, signing off. Stay hustling, my friends.